Okay, so to solve the first equation, we're going to break this down into the zero product property. So the x plus 14 equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. So if we solve the x plus 14, we get x equals negative 14. I'm going to add 3 sides to the other one. X is 3. So two solutions are negative 14 and 3. Okay, the next equation will do the same thing. P plus 15 equal to 0, and p plus 4 set equal to 0. 15 from both sides. Negative 15 for our first answer. Subtract 24 from both sides. We get negative 24 for our other answer. Okay, scrolling for our next one. 2z minus 8 is 0, and z is 5 0. So if we're going to solve for z, the first thing we have to do is add 8 both sides. It'll give us 2z equals 8, and we divide both sides by 2, and z is equal to 4. In the other equation, we simply subtract 5 from each side, and we get z is equal to negative 5. For number 4, 6b minus 4 is set equal to 0, and b minus 8 equals 0. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. We get 6b equals 4. Divide out the 6. We get b is equal to 4 over 6. And we can simplify that as 2/3. And we can leave that as in fraction form. The other equation, we're going to add 8 to both sides. So we have b is equal to 8. Number 5, 3x plus 9 is equal to 0, and 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. We're going to subtract 9. 3x equals negative 9. And divide out the 3, and x is negative 3. The other side, we're going to add 3 to both sides. 6x equals 3. Divide by 6. X equals 3 over 6, which simplifies to 1 half. Okay, now we're going to factor out the greatest common monomial factor. So the factors of 8x squared would simplify to 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x. And the 20y would simplify to 2 times 2 times 5 times y. So what we look to be the same in both terms are the 2 and another 2, and that's it. So the GCF is 2 times 2 or 4. Okay, there are no other factors involved, so we just need to write 4 as our answer. We're just finding the greatest factor. So here we have 4 times x. Sorry, I made a mistake there. 2 times 2 times x, and 4x is just 2 times 2 times 4. So if we find the common factor, 2, 2, another 2 and another 2, and an x and an x, so it's 2 times 2 times x, which is 4x. For the next one, 2m squared would be 2 times m, and 6m would be 2 times 3 times m times n. So when we find our common factors, we have 2 and we have an m. So 2m is our greatest common factor. And the last one, 9 a to the 5th would be 3 times 3 times a times a times a times a times a. And a to the 3rd would be a times a times a. Okay, that's a to the 3rd. This is 9 a to the 5th. So when we find our common factors, there's no whole numbers in this one, so just 1, 2, and 3a. So a times a times a is a to the 3rd. So that is our common factor. Okay, and the common for the challenge, the factor of the common factor. So 20 would be 2 times 2 times 5, right? Times 4 times 20 times x times x times y times y. Okay, that's 20x squared y squared. 4xy would be 2 times 2 times x times y. So if we pull out our common factors, we have a 2 in both of them, we have another 2, we have an x, and we have a y. Okay, so if we do 2 times 2 times x times y, the greatest common factor would be 4xy. And for the last one, we're doing the same thing. We're just doing it 3 times. We have to make sure your factors are common in all 3 of these terms, not just 2 like we've done before. So 2 times x times x is your 2x fourth. And then 14x will be 2 times 7 times x. And then 6x will, sorry, not 6. 6x will be, oops, everything is sliding down. Hang on. There we go. Okay, sorry. 2 times 3 times x. Okay, so now we have different terms in all 3 of them. All 3 of them have a 2. Okay, all 3 of them have 1 x. Can't go any further because this last term, 6x, doesn't have any more x's. So 2x is our DCF for those 3 numbers.